Imagine a life where money flows into your bank account while you sleep. This is not a fantasy. It is the power of passive income. Passive income is money you earn with minimal active effort. Unlike traditional jobs, which require your constant presence, passive income continues to generate revenue even when you are not actively working. It allows you to build wealth over time without needing to trade hours for dollars. By investing time, money, or both up front, you create a system that generates recurring revenue. This revenue can come from various sources like rental income, dividends from stocks, royalties from books, or earnings from online courses. In this essay, we will explore the concept of passive income in depth. Most importantly, we will introduce you to Passive Income System 2.0, a tool designed to help you achieve financial independence. Passive income differs significantly from active income. Active income is what you earn from your job or business. It requires your continuous effort. If you stop working, the income stops too. In contrast, passive income does not need your constant involvement. Take rental properties, for instance. Once you invest in and set up a property, it can generate rental income month after month with minimal oversight. Similarly, investing in dividend-paying stocks can yield regular dividends without needing you to manage the companies. Writing a book requires effort up front, but once published, it can earn royalties for years. Creating an online course is another example. The effort to develop and record the course is significant, but once it's online, students can enroll and you continue to earn from each sale. Understanding this distinction can help you make smarter financial decisions and pave your way to financial freedom. One of the primary benefits of passive income is financial security. With multiple streams of income, you are less dependent on a single paycheck. This diversification reduces the financial risk associated with job loss or economic downturns. Another significant advantage is the potential for financial freedom. Passive income can free up your time, allowing you to pursue passions, hobbies, or spend more time with loved ones. It can enable you to retire early or reduce your working hours. Passive income also allows for wealth accumulation. As your passive income grows, you can reinvest it to create even more income streams. This compounding effect can significantly boost your net worth over time. Managing multiple income streams can teach you new skills and broaden your horizons. These benefits make passive income an attractive goal for anyone seeking a better financial future. Creating passive income streams requires strategic planning and effort. The first step is to identify potential sources of passive income. Real estate is a popular choice. Investing in rental properties can provide a steady income stream. Another avenue is dividend-paying stocks. Investing in companies that pay regular dividends can generate a consistent income. Online businesses are also a lucrative option. Creating digital products such as ebooks, courses, or apps can generate passive income. Platforms like Amazon, Udemy, and the App Store make it easier to reach a global audience. Finally, consider peer-to-peer lending and affiliate marketing. Peer-to-peer lending allows you to lend money to individuals or businesses in exchange for interest payments. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission on sales. These methods require initial effort but can provide ongoing income streams. Section 5. Real-life examples of passive income success. Meet Sarah, a school teacher who wanted to secure her financial future. She started by investing in rental properties. Over 10 years, she acquired 5 properties. The rental income now covers her living expenses, allowing her to retire early and pursue her passion for travel. Then there's Mark, a software engineer with a knack for coding. He developed a mobile app in his spare time. The app became popular, earning him a steady income from downloads and in-app purchases. Consider Emily, an artist who loved to write. She published a series of ebooks on art techniques. The books gained traction and she now earns royalties from multiple platforms. Finally, there's John, a marketing professional who ventured into affiliate marketing. He created a blog reviewing tech gadgets and promoted products through affiliate links. Over time, his blog attracted a large audience and the commissions from sales grew. These real-life examples highlight the potential of passive income to transform lives. Each of these individuals invested time and effort up front to create systems that generate recurring revenue. Their stories demonstrate that with the right strategy and persistence, anyone can achieve financial independence through passive income. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. Passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a long-term strategy for financial freedom. Section 6, Challenges in creating passive income. Building passive income streams is not without challenges. One of the primary hurdles is the initial effort and investment required. Whether it's buying a rental property, developing a product, or building an audience, the upfront work can be substantial. Another challenge is market risk. Investments like real estate and stocks are subject to market fluctuations. Managing passive income streams also requires ongoing effort. While the goal is to earn money with minimal work, some level of maintenance is usually necessary. Balancing this maintenance with other commitments can be challenging. Finally, there's the challenge of patience. Building substantial passive income takes time. However, persistence and consistent effort are key. Setting realistic expectations and celebrating small milestones can keep you motivated on the journey. Understanding these challenges can help you prepare and navigate the path to financial freedom. Section 7. Overcoming passive income hurdles. To overcome these challenges, start by setting realistic goals. Understand that creating passive income takes time and effort. Break down your goals into manageable steps and track your progress. Diversification is another effective strategy. Don't rely on a single source of passive income. Spread your investments across different areas like real estate, stocks, and online businesses. Education is crucial. Stay informed about the markets and continuously learn new skills. Lastly, seek support. Join communities of like-minded individuals who are also building passive income. Sharing experiences and advice can be invaluable. Surrounding yourself with support can provide motivation and practical insights to navigate the journey. Section 8. Passive Income System 2.0. A game changer. Introducing Passive Income System 2.0, a comprehensive tool designed to simplify the journey to financial freedom. This system offers step-by-step guidance on creating multiple streams of passive income. It covers everything from choosing the right investments to managing and growing your income. The system is user-friendly, making it accessible to beginners and seasoned investors alike. It includes detailed tutorials, real-life case studies, and expert advice. Members can connect with each other, share experiences, and offer support. By leveraging Passive Income System 2.0, you can streamline your efforts and maximize your returns. Section 9, Conclusion. The transformative journey of passive income. Passive income is a transformative journey that can revolutionize your financial future. It offers the promise of financial security, freedom, and wealth accumulation. By understanding the essence of passive income and taking actionable steps, you can build a life where money works for you, not the other way around. Start by exploring different passive income streams. Invest time and effort up front to create systems that generate recurring revenue. Embrace the challenges and use them as opportunities to learn and grow. Passive Income System 2.0 is an invaluable tool to guide you along the way. Take advantage of this system to simplify your journey and achieve your financial goals faster. Unlock your wealth and transform your future with passive income.